आज हमारे अंतरिक्ष की खोज इस बात पर निर्भर करती है कि हम किस ग्रह पर मनुष्य की बस्ती बसा सकते हैं। The NASA is planning for making an human civilization in Mars by 2025. But I think we should check out some other planets like the sister of Earth, the Venus, the god of love. If you are, I'm Unique Faith, and if you are watching me, then you are watching Knowledge Lab. We must have something to compare. Let us talk about distance. The distance from Earth to Venus is just the half the distance of Earth to Mars. These distance can reduce the cost of transportation up to 30 to 50%. पैसा ही सब कुछ है। अगर हमारे पास कोई ऐसा संसाधन है जिससे हम कम खर्च में किसी ग्रह पर मानव सभ्यता को बसा सकते हैं, तो हम ज़्यादा खर्च की तरफ क्यों बढ़ रहे हैं? Human civilization, establishing human civilization is not an easy task. It has steps, it takes journal equipment, it needs infrastructure, it needs technology, it needs human capital, and we can't give everything at once. We need to transfer them step by step. Hence, if we will have less distance, we can cover more things in a low cost, which I think which is very important for us. We have covered the distance. डिस्टेंस कवर करने के बाद सबसे पहली चीज जो हमें वीनस में मिलेगी वो है उसका एटमॉस्फेयर. द एटमॉस्फेयर ऑफ वीनस इज मोस्टली मेड ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड. हाँ, गाड़ियाँ बहुत है यहाँ पे. It is mostly made of sulfuric acid and carbon dioxide, which carbon dioxide can be used for growing food after filtering from sulfuric acid. Thick atmosphere means it will give us a better protection from the radiation, from the harmful radiation from ultraviolet rays of the sun. और अगर हम इसका कंपैरिजन मार्स से करते हैं तो मार्स के पास एटमॉस्फेयर के नाम पे कुछ भी नहीं, उसमें बहुत ही पतली लेयर है, और उसके साथ साथ मार्स के बाद इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक बेल्ट भी नहीं, ड्यू टू विच द सन्स radiation has blown away its atmosphere. Now we should discuss about gravitational pull. The gravitational pull of Venus is 0.9% of Earth, and the Mars has 0.4% or less than that. अब आप सोच रहे होंगे कि हमने ग्रेविटेशनल पुल की बात क्यों की है? Because gravitational pull is very important. It helps us from decalification of our bones and protect us from loss of our muscle tone. Hence, I will conclude that Venus is much more important for us, as somehow we add water in the atmosphere of Mars and oxygen in it, and there is no need if we can't survive for more than few months, because our bone will decay in Mars, and in Venus we have almost similar conditions of gravitational pull as we have on Earth. Hence, we can work similarly there as we work here. The next thing we need for human civilization is power. We can do nothing if we don't have power. In Mars, we have power of nuclear fusion. NASA is planning for that. But on Venus, we have 4 times more power than we have on Mars or we have in Earth. Because it is near to the Earth, it is near to the Sun, it will have 4 times more solar radiation, 4 times more solar power than we have and anywhere else where we can. In Venus, we are having less distance, less cost, more power, more percentage of staying of human, more times we will stay alive there. Then why the hell we are talking about Mars? The simple thing is surface. The surface of Mars is much suitable for us than we have on Venus. Yeah, we have rocky surface on Venus, but the temperature of surface of Venus is more than 740 degrees Celsius. Yeah, I'm not joking. And its surface pressure is 90 atmospheric pressure to that of Earth. NASA and Soviet Union some mission just exploded in the mid-atmosphere due to its high pressure sulfuric acid, and if some successfully landed on the surface, they melt down in just 2 hours. So it's time to give up for the Venus? Not so fast. We can stay in Venus in cloud cities. I'm not joking. NASA is actually working on HAVOC, which is high altitude Venus operational cities. How it is possible? Because going 50 kilometer above than Venus uh, surface, we have the atmospheric pressure similar to that we have on Earth. One atmospheric pressure on barometer, and the temperature decreases up to 70 degrees Celsius. Yeah, it's hot for us, but we have firefighter suits which can tolerate a temperature of 2000 degrees Celsius. Means if we somehow created cloud cities in Venus and we want to go somewhere, we don't need to wear any space suit. We just need to wear some firefighter suits, which I think just came like a jacket, and taking some glass, be aware of sulfuric acid, and we can roam here and there. Sulfuric acid very dangerous. We don't have any source of Venus. In Venus we don't have any source of water too, but it is present in the form of oxygen with carbon dioxide, and if we bombard the Venus with nitrogen, it can create water or nitrogen, bombard with nitrogen and hydrogen. And I think it's pretty cool idea. NASA is working on it. Let us see what will happen. Till then, you just keep watching Knowledge Lab. हंसते रहिए, मुस्कुराते। और अगर आपको हमारी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो गिव अस अ लाइक, शेयर आवर वीडियो, और जाते जाते एक सब्सक्राइब बटन दबा दीजिएगा। धन्यवाद।